Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. A personal training contract is a legal document that establishes the terms of a business arrangement between a personal trainer and their client. These contracts outline the specific personal training services, payment structures, expectations of confidentiality, liability provisions, and other pertinent details. A personal training contract is crucial for safeguarding personal trainers against potential misunderstandings or issues that may arise during the training process. It also ensures that both parties clearly understand expectations and boundaries. This document must be comprehensive enough to address all potential challenges arising from the collaboration. By having a solid grasp of what constitutes an effective personal training contract, professionals can ensure a smooth and successful experience for both clients and themselves. To use our free personal training contract, follow these steps. Download our personal training contract from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Before clients sign the contract, thoroughly explain the services, payment, and confidentiality provisions. Make sure to answer any questions they may have before proceeding to the next step. Complete and sign the contract. Once the client agrees to all terms and conditions, they can complete and sign the contract. Both parties must retain a copy of the signed contract for future reference in case of disagreements or disputes. Ensure that both you and your client adhere to the terms of the agreement. If any changes are necessary, refer to the contract and make the appropriate adjustments. Here is a sample of our personal training contract, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our personal training contract, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.